Here's how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. So congrats for starting, creating some content. I'll show you how to upload here on the desktop browser. So on YouTube, in the upper right, you're going to see two things. You're going to see your profile, which you can drop down, and you can actually go to YouTube Studio. You can actually go ahead and also just click Create right here, and that's going to allow you to upload a video. So we click on Upload Video, and we're going to get this little Upload Video page. It actually takes us to the studio already. So we're inside YouTube Studio, and we can select files with this button. You can also just drag and drop videos into this area, and it will upload them. You can click Select Files, navigate to your file. We're going to go with this sample upload right here. And once we upload that, it's going to start that upload process. You can upload up to 15 videos at once, but if you just upload one, then it's going to take you through the sort of step-by-step upload flow. And so first we can choose a title, and then we have our description here. And then as you scroll down, you can actually upload a thumbnail here. It'll also auto-generate a thumbnail for you. You can select a playlist for this video, and then whether or not the audience is kids or not made strictly for kids. So if it's not a video just for kids, then you say, no, this isn't made for kids. And then you can click Show More, and that's where you're going to find things like whether or not you have a sponsor on the video, whether or not AI was used, and you can toggle that yes or no. And then there's also a lot of other different features like automatic chapters you can turn on. You can turn on tags, or not turn on tags, but you can insert tags of related search topics of your video, and check your video language and different things like that. Make sure that you're publishing to your subscribers. And that's a bunch of just the detailed settings that kind of matter here within the upload flow. We're going to go ahead and click Next. And once we finish our details, we actually have to select whether it's strictly made for kids or not. So in this case, I would say no, this video is not just made for kids. Then we can click Next, and we have some other elements here. You can do subtitles, add an end screen, you can add cards, and as you verify for more features on your channel, and as your channel grows and then becomes monetized, you will also see whether or not to turn on or off monetization, which then you'll have to basically do like a not self-verification, but self-evaluation of your video to say that yes, it's suitable for monetization, and you can toggle that on. And then you can also add in some other things here like tagging products to create shoppable links for affiliate income and other revenue opportunities. And then we click Next, and it's going to run some different checks. So it's going to make sure that this video doesn't violate any copyright issues, that it's not found as a duplicate video on YouTube already, etc. So those checks will run. They may not finalize as you're going through this flow, but that's okay. We're going to click Next, and you can choose public, unlisted, private, etc. if you want to schedule it for later. So I usually upload by default as unlisted, which is kind of like a private video, but you can send a link to someone so that they can view it. I wouldn't upload as public right away because you want YouTube to be able to understand your video content, and it's going to look at the subtitles, transcription, that kind of stuff to really get a sense of what the content is. And if you haven't finished anything, like you don't have to fill in the description yet, you can skip that and go back to it later. You don't want to just upload it public without having finished everything for that video. And then you click Save. And now this video is still, if it's still uploading, it's going to be a draft. But once it does upload, you'll get the actual link to that video. And then we can exit out of this, and on our channel content, you should see that video pop up. And so we can actually refresh this page if we need to, but inside of our videos here in content on YouTube Studio, we'll see that video, and we can edit the details of that video really easily. And this is all the same information you just filled out through that upload flow, but it shows you everything here, and you can edit and then save anything that you need to. You got a bunch of details here that you can, fill out and do different things with your video uploads to make sure they're the way that you want them to be. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments down below. And if this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you guys in the next one.